In this video, you'll learn how to create automations to work efficiently and drive more traffic to your site. Automations is a powerful tool that can increase your site traffic up to 2.7 times, simplify your workflow, and save you time. To see how it works, go to your site dashboard, click Customer Management, and select Automations. If it's your first time, you can create an automation and see recommended ones from here. The recommended automations are linked to the business tools in your dashboard and add-ons from the editor. They are organized by categories according to the value they bring, like build customer relationships and engage your site members. Let's select one and see how to customize it. There are 3 steps in any automation. First is the trigger. This is the event which signals the automation. Here, it's when a visitor submits a form. Next, an email will be sent as the action that occurs once the automation has been triggered. Then, you can choose the timing of when you want it to go out, like immediately. Click Activate and view automations to see it live in My Automations. Now, let's create an automation from scratch. Click New Automation on the top right of your screen. Here, you can choose which automation you want to set up. Let's create one for receiving a message in your inbox and rename it Task from Inbox Message. Then select the trigger and choose the action you want to respond with. Also, add the task you want to create, like sending a 10% off coupon. Then assign it to someone and set a due date for them and select when you want it to go out. Finally, click Activate to make your automation live. Click back and you can view and manage your new automation under My Active Automations. Slide the toggle to deactivate and reactivate it, or click the 3 dots to edit, rename, duplicate, or delete an automation. At the top of the page, your analytics show how many active automations you have, your total number of triggered automations, and the number of emails sent. Automations are seamlessly integrated with your Ascend business tools like Forms, Chat, Workflows, and more. Start setting triggered automations to work efficiently and drive more traffic to your site. And check out more tools from Ascend by Wix, designed to help you grow and manage your business.